Hello guys, I will show you how to set up Selenium ChromeDriver in Java. First thing you do is go to selenium.dev/downloads and go to latest stable version, download the latest stable version, and then go to chromedriver.chromium.org, or you can just search up ChromeDriver and it should be the first one. And to see which Chrome version you're using, you can go to the three dots in the corner of Chrome, go to help about Google Chrome, and go to, well, you don't go anything, you see the version 96 or version whatever you have. So I have version 96 and I go to version 96 and we'll click on version 96. Since I have Windows, I will click ChromeDriver_win32.zip. You can download that. I don't need to download it, I already have it. And I recommend switching the files when you download them, switching them and putting them somewhere simple. I put them in my D drive. Now we're done, and you can go to your Java IDE. Mine is Eclipse. First things, you can create a project. You want to create a class, a public static void main string args, and do system.setProperty WebDriver.chrome.driver, comma, the directory d://ChromeDriver.exe. That is where mine is. That's probably not where yours is going to be. You can see where the location is by going to the ChromeDriver file. Click on it, properties, and then it'll say location, and you can Control C and Control V and make sure it's inside quotes, and then make sure you place the slashes to double slashes, otherwise there's going to be an error. Just go to build path, configure build path, libraries, go to class path, add external jars, Selenium server 4.11.1, apply and close. There you go. Now under the reference libraries, it should be in your libraries and it should be connected to your build path as an external jar. So now we want to set up the interface in class. So WebDriver, the W and the D capitalized, and I recommend to make this something simple for the object name. So I would just do like the letter D equals new ChromeDriver, and C and D in ChromeDriver are capitalized, parentheses, wrong, and end of statement. And that should, oh wait, yeah, we have to import, and you can just import over here. Eclipse automatically imports. I mean, if you click it, we'll have to click it. There we go. You just hover over it and then you click import whatever you need to import. Once you're done with that, you can run it to see if it opens anything, and mine does. Data, colon, comma. Let's just say it was started successfully. Now you can set up any methods you want. For the methods, you can go to interface, WebDriver. There we see the methods. I'll show you some basic ones like get, the get method, https://youtube.com, and I'll run it. And there we go, we're on youtube.com. And also make sure to quit the, what is it called, the Chrome driver. So object name dot quit method, and you can do this after a few seconds. So you can do the thread.sleep. So try thread.sleep. This can be useful for like reloading or like just waiting in general. Let's see, sleep, which one? I want this one. So I'm pretty sure 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So I'll do 5000 milliseconds. And then close the statement. Close the try. What's this? Oh, that's odd. I don't know why this is outside. Okay, there we go. Let's make sure this. Oh wait, I have 3 of them for some reason. Okay, I'm getting really confused. Okay, try open thread.sleep parentheses and then close it. And then we'll do catch exception. Label it E. And then open it and close it because we don't need to do anything. And then it will quit after 5 seconds. See it? One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, there we go. There we go. It worked. So what that does is the ChromeDriver over here, it opens, but then you need to close it. Like if you don't close your computer eventually, this ChromeDriver application will stay open, and it's a different ChromeDriver every time you run the program. So yeah, it's really helpful if you quit it, so you know your computer stays clean, doesn't lag. So do this try catch exception thing. So youtube.com, I got youtube.com. Now I will introduce the find element method. And then inside of the find element, you have to do another element, which is find dot whatever you're going to find by. Class name, XPath, usually it's XPath. It's lowercase by, capital B, and lowercase y, dot XPath. And then it's a string. And then you will run the program. Run the program. And then you're going to need to find the element of what you want to choose. So let's say we want to go to the search bar. Like we just want to click the search bar. So we would, to do that, to find the element, you do Control-Shift-C. Full screen this. And you click on that. Control-Shift-C. Hover over this. I don't know why it's breaking a lot. Okay, there we go. It should come up with this like highlighted area, and it'll say like something like input hashtag blah blah blah, and I'll have a pop up under it. Just click that. Click on the search bar, whatever you're trying to click on, and then you go onto the highlight section. You right click, copy full XPath, and then you can paste it in the by.xpath. And then you can do dot, say we wanna send some keys to it. It will be a char sequence. It will send 1 character by each time. So we will send zoo. Let's see if it works. So it's gonna find the elements of the search bar, and then it's gonna type in zoo. Yep, there we go. And then it'll quit. So let's say we wanna find we put in zoo. Wait. Search. I'm gonna run this again. We're gonna put in zoo. You're right. And you can do Control-Shift-C. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'll just extend this longer. Sorry, guys. Go do Control-Shift-C. And then go to the search bar. Press on it. And then it will be highlighted on the right side of the screen. You right click that. You will go to copy full XPath. There we go. Oh, I forgot to find element. This will still be by XPath. In quotes. Yeah, that looks right. Then dot click, which is another method we will add on. Then end the statement. So it will find the element of the search bar. It will send the key zoo. Then another. We'll go to the search box button and click it, which you just did. Yeah. Okay. And also the annoying thing is like going to full screen. So if you want to just maximize the window once you once you start the program, you can do that by doing this: d dot manage parentheses dot window parentheses dot maximize. And you can see the other options like minimize, maximize, set position, set size. But the most important one is probably maximize. Maximize, there we go. And yeah, it'll maximize the window for you. That's great. Okay, that's basically most of it.